Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth session of science. We were discussing about the microorganisms. We have discussed about bacteria, fungi and algae. Today we will start with the protozoans. Protozoan is singular and protozoa is plural. Proto means first. Zoa means zoo is derived from animals. These are the first animal-like unicellular organisms. They are single-celled, microscopic, animal-like cell organisms. They are not having cell wall around them. They are not having chlorophyll, that is a synthetic pigment around them. They are having animal-like cell and a membrane that is known as pellicle. Cell membrane is present and inside the cell membrane nucleus, cytoplasm and other material are present. So these are the first animals that arise on the earth. All of them are unicellular, made up of single cell only, because that's why they are further divided according to the mode of locomotion. They are animals, so they move from one place to another with the help of certain locomotory organelles. Organs they are not having, they are having small structure, they are known as organelles. If these organelles are cilia, hair-like projection on the surface of the body, many hair-like structure, smaller in size, are present on the surface of body, they are known as cilia. With the help of these cilia, they move in water, and these cilia are present in paramecium is the example. Sometimes instead of many small hair-like projection, they are having one or two large projection, hair-like structure, thread-like structure, one or two in number. This structure, thread-like structure is known as flagella. With the help of this flagella, they are fixed in number, cilia are many, smaller in size, flagella are larger in size and one or two in number. With the help of these flagella, they can move from one place to another, and these type of animals are known as flagellate protozoan. Example is Euglena. Sometimes they are neither having cilia nor flagella, only an extension arises from the body of the animal. The body shape is irregular, only an extension of the body arises that help in the movement. This extension is known as pseudopodia. With the help of these pseudopodia, they move from one place to another. So that is the mode of locomotion in certain protozoan like amoeba. According to the mode of locomotion, they are divided into three categories. Now, mode of nutrition, how do they take their food? Because they are animal-like, plants are supposed to be autotrophic because they are having chlorophyll in them, they are photosynthetic, but these are animal-like structure, they do not have photosynthetic pigment, that's why they are holozoic, means taking food from other animals in the solid form like amoeba, or they are parasites, means lives in the body of another living organism or take food from the body of another living organism, that is known as host, like ant amoeba. It is a disease causing amoeba or the bacteria protozoan that is present in the body of human being. Mode of reproduction is again binary fission or multiple fission. Body may be divided into two like in amoeba, or it may be divided into many parts. Many small cells are formed inside the single cell, and around this cell a hard covering is present, protecting layer is present. That protecting layer is known as cyst. This cyst is providing protection also. It protects the cell during unfavorable condition, and whenever the conditions are favorable, this cyst bursts and all the cells come out and start behaving like a new individual. So this process is known as multiple fission. All the protozoan reproduce either by binary fission or multiple fission. Asexual mode of reproduction is present in them. Now, another group microorganisms are viruses. Nowadays we are very familiar with viruses. One of the virus, name of the virus is coronavirus, that is causing COVID-19. So that is a virus. It is the smallest acellular microorganism. Why we are using the term acellular? A, when you are adding A, means they are not having a cell-like structure. You will be surprised to know that these viruses are known as connecting link between living and non-living. Means they are having all the features of non-living organisms. You can store them for many years like powder or other substances. For many years they are unable to, they will not die. They will remain in the as it is because they are having non-living feature. Only one living feature that is present in these viruses is that they reproduce, and they reproduce in the body of another living organism, that is host. So all the viruses are parasite and harmful also, because they are parasite, they are living in the body of the host, so they will be harmful for the living organism, other living organisms like corona. So they are not having any cell, only a protecting layer made up of protein is present around the body. This is the protecting layer that is made up of protein, a capsule. This is known as capsule or coat of protein. So this protecting layer is made up of protein is present, and inside this protecting layer genetic material in the form of DNA or sometimes RNA also. Sometimes it is having RNA as a genetic material. These type of viruses are known as retrovirus. So these are the genetic material that is present in the center of this capsule or coat, protein coat. And I told you, because they are not having any cell and they are living in the body of the host, so they are always harmful, very harmful to us, like corona. This is the structure of HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, that causes AIDS in human being. This is the structure of bacteriophage, a virus that is living in the body of a bacteria. That's why it is known as bacteriophage. The host may be a bacteria also, a small cell also, like bacteriophage. It lives in the body of another bacteria. TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. This is a virus that lives in the leaves of tobacco plant. These are the different viruses that are very harmful. Nowadays we are suffering from a virus only, coronavirus, and these are the microorganisms that are present in the environment. Thank you.